First of all, the massive breaking news today. It happened around 9:30 this morning. Manchester United announced they've accepted a world record bid of £80 million from Real Madrid to sign Cristiano Ronaldo.
Of course, it's a great challenge now. Now the people know my dream is to play in Madrid. This is the life. This is my new house, my new club, and I'm gonna give 100% for this club. Muchas gracias y ahora voy a pedir a todos que digan conmigo. Yo voy a contar hasta 3 y decimos todos a la madre, ¿vale? Vamos. 1, 2, 3.
First choice as the target man in that Brazil side, brilliantly done by Ronaldo. He's running free of all yellow shirts here. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! What a goal! A magnificent goal! And in that moment creates a Real Madrid club record, the first player in the long, illustrious history of Real Madrid to score in his opening 4 league matches. And it was brilliant, Ronaldo. Oh, and he's done well to break the challenge of Nunes. This is the man that's keeping the title race alive. Single-handedly, it's a hat-trick for Cristiano Ronaldo. And he slipped in Ronaldo's onside. And it is the inevitable result. The obligatory goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. He is just something else. Every game he seems to score.
Decent stuff in the first half, but they've been overrun here, and Ronaldo has a chance to make it 2. That's 40 goals for Cristiano Ronaldo this season.
That's a lovely run from Ronaldo all the way. The goals just keep on coming and coming and coming for Cristiano Ronaldo.
Beats Zabaleta, Ronaldo!
And this is Las Palmas Rodgers, Ronaldo! Unbelievable! Great cross, header, goal! Cristiano Ronaldo! Ronaldo knows what he's doing, and he does it absolutely beautifully. Another special from Cristiano Ronaldo, and he's on to 49 for the season. Brazil, perfectly timed run from Ronaldo! What a reply! The reply of champions, I dare say. 42nd league goal of the season, and by some distance his most important. It's Cristiano Ronaldo for Real Madrid. Ronaldo, beautiful to Kaká, back to Ronaldo. Fine football this. What will be the end result? Benzema drives it right across the centre. Oh, pure goal! Pure goal! Is Cristiano Ronaldo. He's getting ready to shoot. Oh, that's the result. It's a rip-roaring effort by Cristiano Ronaldo. The man just doesn't let up. Another brilliant goal. Such power, such accuracy. The goalkeeper barely blinked and it was passive. It's Ronaldo! Oh my goodness! You don't save those out of this world. And the kind of brilliance that will win you a La Liga title. It's him again.
Cristiano Ronaldo with another hat-trick. What a sensational footballer this great man is.
Ladies and gentlemen, estamos disfrutando lo mejor de una leyenda de estos 115 años de historia del Real Madrid. Con todos vosotros, camino de su 5º Balón de Oro, el mejor jugador del mundo, Cristiano
Ronaldo just can't help himself. Real Madrid showbiz footballer has put clear white light between them and Bayern Munich.
To Ronaldo, can Ronaldo play his part? Oh yes he can! They can't stop him. Cristiano Ronaldo,
Who's on the blind side of the defence and through the keeper's legs. Brilliant from Cristiano Ronaldo. He's just getting better and better and better.
Ahí la tiene Cristiano, que quiere arrancar, le pega a Cristiano.